Hello YouTube. Today is Friday and something happened to me today and I just want to share it with you, and I would like to know, how do you deal with this situation when it happens to you? I was working in Yonkers. For some reason I get stuck in that area lately a lot, and it was a huge motor replacement day. 4 guys, we spent a good part of the day, heavy, huge motor. But anyways, we got that done, and in the process of finishing, I have a service call all the way down from Yonkers to Fishkill, which is almost, with the traffic of Friday, it's crazy. It took me 2 hours and something. I mean, insane. You know, the Tappan Zee Bridge in a Friday afternoon, going north is crazy. But anyways, stop at the shop, grab my box with my parts, go to this restaurant I have to work. It's a cooler, and I looked through my ticket really quick, and it says display and harness. So I look at the cooler, and the display was blank. So alright, that's why they want to replace the display. So I replaced the display and also the harness, the cable. So I replaced all that, turn the power on, still the same thing. The heck? And then I say, well, probably that it was not the problem, so probably something else is going on. So then I start looking. The freaking unit is full of grease everywhere, and it's, what it was, like 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Rush people, you know, everybody's taking dinner, and you know, the kitchen is, I had like 4 guys behind me walking by like crazy, and I'm trying to find out what the heck is happening. I said, there's something else is going on. So I grabbed my ticket again, and it says display, controller, and harness. I looked into my box, there is no controller. They never ship it. When I find out about that, I have another service call, just on time. Look at the service call, I have to go back from where I came from. I was in Yonkers, now I have to come back to White Plains, which is almost in the same area. So I have to drive back again, the goddamn Tappan Zee Bridge. It's difficult when you come from so far away, all the way down, and then you have to come back again. You know, and it's sometimes when you are really pissed, it's difficult to put your mind in a way that you can control yourself. You know, I'm personally, my way is very explosive. I get really mad really quick. I don't know if that's because of the age or what, but I lose my temper really quick. So I don't know how you guys deal with something like that when everything goes wrong. You know, you leaving your first call, driving all the way down to do a service call, it goes to hell, and then you have a service call back to the same place where you were, miles and miles away, 2 hours away probably. Now I have to deal with the traffic back to the city, which is horrendous at this hour. But I don't know how you deal with it, but I learned over the years to try to control myself, because I get mad really easy. So now I think like I'm just driving, and I just put some music, and I try to don't think about anything else. I'm just driving. It's not the emergency service. But anyways, I don't know how you guys deal with this stuff. I would like to know. If you can share and leave a comment also below, it would be good. You know, just share your thoughts and how you deal with situations like this. It's funny to know. Maybe you have a different way, probably an effective way to deal with this kind of stuff. Alright guys, thank you for watching.